Good morning. This is Muralidhar Reddy, Spandana Institute of Commerce, Dishna, Hyderabad. Now I am explaining about the bills of exchange problem. Nana. It is the example 1. If on January 1st, 2010, goods was sold by A to B. Here goods was sold by A to B. Nana. Here Mr. A selling goods to B with rupees for the rupees amount of the 10,000 rupees worth of the goods he was selling. Mr. A was selling to B. And on the same day, when it was selling nana, sold nana January 1st, on the same day, bill was accepted. Who make the bill? A make the bill. On which one? On the B nana. So after that, B given some of one of the acceptance for that bill nana for the 3 months period. So due period is 3 months. From the January 1st to when complete the 3 months nana? February 1st, March 1st, April 1st. Up to the April 1st, 3 months finish nana. So after that, we are required to add another 3 grace days. So it will become as April 4th is the bill due date nana. So now it was written on the January 1st for the 3 months period nana. So this bill due date become as April 4th from January to 3 months. After complete the 3 months, again we can add the further 3 days nana as a grace days. So now become as due date April 4th nana. What they are asking? Show the journal entries. What you are asking nana? Show the journal entries or pass the journal entries in the books of drawer. Drawer means seller become as drawer, buyer become as drawee. Here drawer name is A, drawee name is B. In the following 2 cases nana. First, if on bill due date, bill was honored. Honored means encashing. Next one nana, right? If second case, if bill was dishonored and paid 200, incurring noting charges 200 nana. Right? Here actually bill was first case. They are asking if bill is honoring. Honoring means cash collected by the to the A nana from the B nana. So cash what I call received by A from B nana on the bill nana. Here dishonoring. Dishonoring means not encashing nana. That's why incurring 200 noting charges. Here what we can assume nana? Assume yourself bill was received by A from B as well as it is retained with the drawer up to the due date. That is the assumption here. One of the hint. Please assume yourself as what bill we are received from B that is retained with the A only up to the end of the year. Okay. In these cases, if it is honored, if it is dishonored, in the 2 different cases, what entries are required in the books of A, what entries are required in the books of B, they are asking nana. That is, I am showing it here nana, right? As this method nana, side by side. First one, when bill was retained with the drawer, and also if bill is honored, what entries we are required to pass in the books of A, B. In the honor case, what entries what I call required in the books of A, in the books of B. Here I am explaining. Here nana, if case 2, bill was dishonored. In this case, what entries are required in the books of A, what entries required in the books of B. Here I am explaining nana. Right? First one, check it here. First one nana, on January 1st, 2010, Mr. A was selling goods to B. That's why here B is the receiver. That's why I am debited nana. Debit the receiver, credit the sale income. As per nominal account, credit the income, debit the receiver. So here, please assume yourself, now you are the A. You are selling goods to B nana. Debit the B account, credit the sales account. Being credit sales to B by A. Next one, on the same day, so how much amount or receivable amount is here nana? We are debited to the B nana. With equivalent of this one nana, Mr. B given one of the bill to A nana. That's why I am showing generally the books of B nana. That's January for same day. Bill receivable will come nana. That's why I am debited. What comes in, show the debit nana. What comes in debit, what goes out credit as per real account. Here bills receivable, to the bills receivable, real account rules are applicable nana. That's why bill receivable is I am debited. Why? Because it is coming given by B nana, credit the giver account. Bill receivable to B account. Right, 10,000. Being 3 months, bill was received from B through the acceptance. After that nana, on this due date, what I am taken at here reading, if bill was honored. Honored means on the due date, April 4th nana. So it was written on the January 1st for the 3 months. When it was that allowed period complete nana, April 1st it was finished nana. Right, April 4th nana, I am showing third entry. First entry this one, second entry this one, third entry this one on April 4th. Now this bill is honoring nana. What bill we are getting, what physical document we are taken it here on this bill. Now we are receiving cash nana. That's why they are debited to the bank account. They are debited to the bank account. Why? Because cash will come. Debit the bank account, credit the bill receivable. On this bill receivable, cash will come nana. That's why debit the bank account, credit the bill receivable account. 10,000, 10,000. It is the honored entry. Honored entry. Retained bill. When retained bill was honored, in that case, drawer shows the following 3 entries nana. For the sale, for the bill acceptance, for the honor of the bill nana. So being retained bill was honored on the due date, or being cash was received on the retained bill, 10,000, 10,000. These 3 entries are required in the books of what I call drawer in case of honored. At the same time, in case of dishonored, okay, let's complete it. Drawer books. So it is the sales to this fellow. Same time it is become as purchase to the B nana. So now his year BA is purchasing on January 1st. That's why he was debited purchase account, credited giver account, A account, purchase to A. Being credit purchase from A nana. On the same day, Mr. B accepted one bill to the A nana. Here A is the receiver. That's why he was debited A account. Bills payable is liability. Liability he was credited bills payable. A to bills payable. Here bill receivable to B. It is the receivable to B A nana. A considered as receivable. B considered as payable. Payable is liability, that's why credited. Receivable is asset, that's why debited. Here bill given by B. Here bill received by A. So here first entry purchase to A. For this debt balance nana. So now we are what I call given to this A nana bill nana. That's why for the cancellation purpose here I am credited na. For the cancellation purpose now I am debiting nana. Right. So A account at R to bills payable account 10,000. Being bill was accepted for 3 months period. After that, this bill payable is honoring. Honoring means on this we are paying cash on April 4th nana. Third, bills payable account add to bank. Bills payable for the cancellation. Year credited na. For the cancellation now I am showing as a debit nana. Taken as a debit. Bills payable account at R. Cash was goes out nana. Credit the bank account. Being bill payable was honored on the due date, or being cash paid on bills payable on the due date. That is the 3 entries nana. Here 3 entries are required. Here 3 entries. In case of honored, what entries we are showing nana at the time of honoring, first and second, and first entry, second entry, first entry, second entry. These 2 entries similar in case of dishonored also. Dishonored also here B I am debited, sales I am credited. Here also in the books of A nana, drawer nana, debit the B account, credit the sales account. Here I am debited in the books of B nana, here debited purchase, credit A. Here also purchase account to A account. Similar bill acceptance nana, bill receivable to B. Here also bills receivable to B. Here A account to bills payable. Here A account to bills payable in the books of B. Similar entries nana. What entries we are required to pass at the time of bill what I call honored situation nana. First 2 entries what we are showing it here. These 2 entries similarly show in the same party books. Drawer. But here instead of this honor nana, here bill is dishonoring. Now this bill receivable is dishonoring nana. For the cancellation I am taken at credit nana. 2 bills receivable with 10,000. Also noting charges incurring nana. We are paying noting charges to the lawyer in the mode of cash. That's why I am credited cash. Bill amount, old bill amount 10,000, noting charges 200. Both we can collect from the B nana. It is receivable from the B nana. That's why I am debited B account with 10,200. Year nana. When bill accepted, here bills payable is credited nana. When it is dishonoring nana, please cancel this credit balance nana. That's why they am taken at bills payable date R. What amount taken at here? That amount, similar amount I am taken at here nana. Bills payable account at R 10,000 on April 4th. Noting charges also incurring nana. So final bearer of this noting charges is B. That's why debit the noting charges. It is also called dishonored charges. Debit the dishonored charges. Debit the noting charges. Right, 200. Bills payable account at R. What amount we are taken in the second entry with that amount, 10,000. Noting charges amount account at R. If any noting charges amount given in the question, that amount. Otherwise leave it. Next to A account, 10,200. Being bill dishonored and for noting and also incurring noting charges. Our bills payable was dishonored and also paid noting charges 10,000 rupees. Okay, I can send this picture Nana to you. Please check and check the question as well as solution Nana. Thank you.